Hi, my name is Jennifer Marles. I'm an associate with Oyen, Wiggs, Green & Mutala. We're a law firm that practices just in the area of intellectual property law, and today I'm going to give you my top 5 tips for new people just starting out. My first tip would be that timeliness is very important for intellectual property rights. For example, most countries require that you have filed an application for a patent before you have any kind of public disclosure of your idea. If you don't do so, you could lose your right to obtain patent protection in many countries. So, it's important to get help at an early stage to identify what deadlines you need to meet and make sure you take steps to meet them. My second tip relates to trademarks. When you're selecting a trademark, it's very important that you conduct searches to make sure that no one else is out there in the marketplace using a similar trademark and that no one has registered a similar trademark. If you do a search ahead of time, you can help avoid potential disputes down the road. My third tip is once you've chosen a trademark, go ahead and take steps to register that trademark. In Canada, having a trademark registration gives you nationwide rights. Also, by registering your trademark, you put your rights into a database that other people can search when they want to choose their trademark. This makes it more likely that someone will not choose the same trademark that you already adopted. My fourth tip would be that it's very important to use clear contracts to carefully define your relationships with other people. By having a contract that sets out the expectations of both sides beforehand, you can make sure that everyone is clear on what their obligations are, and you can avoid disputes down the road. My fifth tip would be that it's very important to get good advice at an early stage as to the options available to you to protect your idea. Many people come to us looking for one specific type of intellectual property protection, such as a patent. But the reality is there may be multiple different ways that they can protect their ideas and advance their businesses. So, at an early stage, it's a good idea to get advice from people to help you determine what options are available to protect your idea so that you can choose the one that best suits your particular idea and your budget. So, those are my top 5 tips. If you're interested in learning more about intellectual property, I would encourage you to check out some of the seminars that are offered through Small Business BC.